Morning, guys. Today's wheel alignment day. We're gonna bring this Toyota Solara to get it aligned at a local shop nearby here. Now, there is a certain wheel alignment machine that I prefer. I don't like the one that mounts on the center hub, but rather that touches the four corners of the outer edge of the wheel. Now, wheel alignments are something I recommend doing before summer and before winter, twice a year. It'll save you headaches when it comes to tire wear, and it'll save you on the subconscious level stresses where you always have to hold on to the wheel to keep the car straight and always put that little bit of pressure. So I have an appointment here in 30 minutes. Let's do this. Well, now you ask, why should I be doing wheel alignments twice a year, which is what I recommend. It would be before summer and before winter. It's not so much you, it's everything else and everyone else. Road construction, potholes, curbs, sidewalks, major debris on the road. And what happens is when you hit it, or when you go over a major pothole, and we'll take the wheel alignment out. So you see this car, if I let it go, has a slight pull to the right. See how it merges to the right a little bit? This is a telltale sign or an indication that the car needs a wheel alignment. Here you go, let go again, and it pulls to the right. So anyway, we're almost there. I like the guy, his name is Sid's Wheel Alignment. I heard really good things about him, so I'm gonna try him on this car. The wife has already tried him, and she was very pleased with him. Let's do this. That was one of the fastest wheel alignments I've done in a while. That's what happens when you take the car to a specialist. I got it done. I'm about to jump on the freeway, but before I jump on the freeway and test to make sure this thing is true and straight, I wanted to share a couple of tips that a specialist told me. I had mentioned to you earlier that twice a year, every 6 months, you should do a wheel alignment. But he said that it's not entirely true. When you really needed a wheel alignment is if you get new tires, or if you change a component in the suspension system, link rod, the tie rods, whatever it is, struts, then yes, you would need a wheel alignment. Or if you hit a major pothole, like I had mentioned at the beginning of this video, when you're driving along, those are the only time you really need a wheel alignment. This is what he said. But otherwise, on average, every 2 years or so, it would be a good idea to get a wheel alignment. So that being said, let's get on the freeway and let's test this thing to see if it goes straight. Let's do it. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here it is. Let go of the steering wheel, and it stays at, well, the lane is slightly shifting. Hold on. Here it is. Here we go. I'm happy with it. It's better. So anyway, guys, you heard it. Just when it needs it, that's when you do it, or every 2 years, whichever comes first. All right, guys, I'm almost at work. I will see you later. Have a great day. All right, guys, we did it. The drive was a little sketchy holding a phone while filming to show you guys that the car was going straight. And there was this lady who was honking at me, and she was upset that I was filming while driving. Rightfully so. But yeah, no, the car came out good. Now, mind you, though, just a little caveat with these wheel alignments. So long as everything is perfect, the car will go straight. For example, if your car, if the road is slightly sloping to the right or slightly sloping to the left on a straight way, the car will pull in the direction of the slope. If your tires are not equally inflated in the front, even though the wheels have been aligned, the car will pull in the direction of the lower inflated tire. So when you do get a wheel alignment and you want to see if it drives true, make sure that the road is straight, it is level, and your tires are all at the same pressure. That being said, I'm very happy with this guy, and I'm very happy with the wheel alignment. The car drives good. And that is it. I'm at work a lot earlier than I had anticipated, but yeah, it's okay. No big deal, man. What else am I gonna do? I guess I could read a little bit before I go inside. I wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this video was of help to do. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and we will see you at the next time. Take care.